Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
This is a rolling mill where steel over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit is kept in its plastic state for shaping. A brilliant hand-cranked ratchet makes a perfect helical cut following the pineapple's eyes. Each set of rollers acts as a progressive die, bending flat sheet metal into strong roofing. Those carbide teeth make short work of the stump, essentially unrolling it into wood chips. A specialized hover mower perfect for safely cutting the steep, delicate slopes of a sand trap. This isn't random hammering, it's cold forging with a power hammer at incredible speed. Bread slicer's reciprocating blades move at over 1,000 strokes per minute for clean cuts. This clever machine uses gravity and precise spacing to separate yolks from whites at scale. This machine uses heat and immense pressure to extrude cornmeal into a continuous, puffed snack. Industrial baking is all about consistency. That robotic arm uses suction grippers to place trays with sub-millimeter accuracy, ensuring a perfect bake every time. This is a food extruder. It uses immense pressure and friction to superheat the cornmeal, causing it to expand or puff as it exits the die. Not just plowing, this is precision cultivation. It aerates the soil and removes weeds without damaging the crop roots, a task that once took dozens of farmhands. This walk-behind tiller is a game changer for small farms, delivering the power of a tractor to terrain where a larger machine could never go. And this is the future. A crop-dusting drone delivering treatment with algorithmic precision, saving fuel and time. Let's move to recycling. This hydraulic press makes short work of thousands of plastic bottles. From crushing to creating, a lathe smooths this metal shaft to a mirror finish with incredible accuracy. This automated linker perfectly portions and ties sausages faster than the eye can follow. A worker uses a spot welder, a high-current process that creates a permanent bond in an instant. A powerful shredder makes recycling this old scooter possible, breaking it down to its raw materials. This machine's blades tenderize the meat, ensuring a consistent texture for processing. Back outside, this extended reach trimmer makes sculpting a perfectly flat hedge look almost easy. These are bottle preforms. They're heated to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, then inflated with high-pressure air. A bandsaw follows a precise laser guide, maximizing the usable lumber from an irregular log. This dual-spindle lathe uses a template to carve two identical wooden pieces simultaneously. This powerful grinder turns leftover vegetables into fine pulp, perfect for animal feed or compost. This specialized tractor attachment automates the back-breaking work of planting thousands of lettuce seedlings. This simple, hand-powered tool uses mechanical leverage to cleanly shear through sheet metal. Spreading self-leveling epoxy creates a seamless, incredibly durable floor for workshops and garages. A hydraulic press with a custom die punches and bends these aluminum brackets with perfect repeatability. For livestock feed, this chaff cutter chops long grasses into fine, easily digestible pieces. This machine forms, fills, and seals packages, the unsung hero of the global supply chain. This specialized vehicle can lift and reposition concrete highway barriers even in live traffic. A roofer expertly lays shingles. Calloused hands are proof of a job that demands skill and endurance. This tool peels away the outer insulation of a massive copper cable with surgical precision. A concrete pump makes it possible to deliver tons of material exactly where it's needed on a job site. Using an oxyacetylene torch, a skilled worker cuts through thick steel plate like it's butter. A lathe cuts perfect threads onto a rusty bolt, demonstrating the power of precision restoration. An automated power hammer forges a red-hot steel billet, rapidly shaping it into a blade. It starts with a simple mold, but the key is vibration, which settles the concrete mix, eliminating air pockets and ensuring maximum strength. This machine replaces hours of manual labor. A high-friction process strips the tough husk, polishing over 500 pounds of rice per hour. This isn't magic, it's physics. Cornmeal is pressurized and heated to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, then explosively expands when it hits open air. Talk about upcycling. A 55-gallon steel drum gets a new life as a powerful shearing wheel slices through it like a giant can opener. Here, a blacksmith's arm is replaced by thousands of pounds of force, shaping steel heated to a brilliant 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Control is everything. It's not just brute force, it's a clever use of hydraulics. The excavator's arm becomes a massive lever to fix a simple problem. This is a perfect demonstration of thermal shock. Scoring the glass creates a weak point that fractures cleanly when rapidly heated and cooled. Before you can have thread, you need to prep the fiber. These rollers act like a giant comb, aligning raw cotton for spinning. This is where agriculture meets automation. It turns the back-breaking work of planting into a rhythmic, almost hypnotic mechanical dance. This is how flat sheet metal gets its strength. Each set of rollers adds a precise bend, creating a rigid structure from a flexible sheet. It's all about torque, not speed. This auger-like head shaves away the stump, layer by layer with immense rotational force. In the industrial kitchen, a reciprocating blade grid dices meat with flawless speed and consistency. A standard subsoil lifter gently harvests root crops from below, preventing damage that a shovel would cause. This two-person tea harvester is a clever balance, mechanizing the cut while preserving the delicate top leaves. This is pure mechanical efficiency, a ride-on harvester that strips the ears of corn from the stalk and shucks them in a single pass, a massive labor saver for small farms. This is the heartbeat of heavy construction. Using immense hydraulic or pneumatic force, this rig drives steel piles deep into the earth to create a stable foundation for massive structures. Even ancient arts get a modern upgrade. This automated trimmer uses a precise, repeatable motion to maintain the conical shape of the tree, a task requiring immense patience by hand. Peeling 1,000 cucumbers would take all day. This clever machine puts the cucumber on a lathe, spinning it against a blade for a perfect peel and about 3 seconds flat. How do you see inside an egg? You candle it. This process uses a powerful light to reveal any imperfections, or in hatcheries, to confirm the embryo is developing. This gives me chills. These workers are tying the steel rebar skeleton for a massive arch bridge. It's a stunning display of manual skill and bravery at a dizzying height. An overgrown waterway can be a huge problem. Here, an excavator with a specialized rake attachment makes short work of it, clearing tons of weeds in a single pass. The enemy of any window film is the air bubble. The secret here is a simple squeegee and proper technique, forcing out the air for a flawless, transparent bond. This is the secret to those perfect carrot shreds in a restaurant salad. A simple but effective machine that pushes the vegetable through a cutting grid or julienne blade. Here's a one-person version of the tea harvester. The engineering goal is always the same: make the tool more efficient, more compact, and easier for a single operator to handle. Look at the precision. The shape of that bucket isn't an accident. It's designed to dig a clean, straight-walled trench, perfect for laying pipes or pouring a foundation. Look at the precision. The shape of that bucket isn't an accident. It's designed to dig a clean, straight-walled trench, perfect for laying pipes or pouring a foundation. Ever wonder how a dog gets its hair? It's not a wig. A high-speed needle, much like a sewing machine, punches and hooks the strands of hair directly into the vinyl scalp.